Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. Universal shining, wonderful adornment of firm action, vast causal wisdom, manifesting superior qualities, sublime voice. They had all worked energetically to conquer pride and other afflictions. There were also an inconceivable number of Kinara kings, led by such as Heaven of Light of Refined Intellect, Exquisite Flower Banner, various adornments, pleasing sound, Jewel Tree Light, Delight to the Beholder, Adornment of Supreme Light, Delicate Flower Banner, Earth-shaking Power, Conquering Evil Beings. They all made diligent efforts, contemplating all things, their minds always blissful, roaming freely. There were also innumerable Garuda kings, led by such as Power of Great Swiftness, Unbreakable Jewel Topknot, Pure Speed, Non-Regressing Mind, Sustaining Power in the Ocean, Steady Pure Light, Artistically Decorated Crown Topknot, Immediate Manifestation Everywhere, Surveying the Ocean, Universal Sound, and Broad Eyes. They had already perfected the power of great skill in expedient methods of liberation and were able to rescue all beings. There were also innumerable Mahoraga kings, led by such as Beneficent Wisdom, Pure Dignified Sound, Adornment of Supreme Wisdom, Lord of Sublime Eyes, Lamp-like Banner, Refuge of the Masses, Supreme Light Banner, Lion Guts, Sound adorned by myriad subtleties, Stable as a polar mountain, Delightful Light. They all diligently cultivated great and extensive skills in method to cause sentient beings to forever tear apart the net of ignorance. There were also innumerable Yaksha kings, led by such as Vaishravana, Independent Sound, Solemn Weapon Bearer, Great Wisdom, Lord of Flaming Eyes, Adamantine Eye, Arm of Courage and Strength, Bravely Resisting General, Rich in Material Goods. Power to smash high mountains. They all strived to guard and protect all living beings. There were also innumerable great Naga kings, led by such as Virupaksha, Shakra, Subtle Banner of Cloud Sounds, Flaming Mouth Ocean Light, Ubiquitous High Cloud Banner, Unbounded Steps, Pure Form, Great Sound Traveling Everywhere, No Heat or Torment.